Curvify Hip Enhancement Drops. This product promises to restore your body's natural curves in just 30 days, all without surgery. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But is it really safe or even effective? Let's find out together. First off, the website claims they have over 8,700 reviews. But when we check Trustpilot, it only shows a 3.6 star rating from 3 reviews. That's a huge difference. This makes it clear that the review count is exaggerated. Basically, their feedback can't be trusted. It's misleading and dishonest. So already, that's a big red flag. Next, they say the founder is Dr. Maria Santos, PhD. But here's the catch. The doctor shown isn't real. It turns out the image is AI generated. And not just that, most of the photos on the site are fake. If they're making up basic info like who created the product, can we really trust anything else about it? Now, the website also claims that in a 12-week study with 127 women, 89% saw visible curves, 76% felt more confident, and 92% said their clothes fit better. Oh, and they say 0% had side effects. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the problem. They provide no evidence, no certificates, no documents to back this up. Without proof, these numbers are basically meaningless. What about before and after photos? Yep, you guessed it. They're AI generated too. No real pictures, no honest proof. If the company can't even show real results, it really makes you wonder, do they even know if this product works? Lastly, the marketing tactics are super aggressive. You've probably seen things like, only 23 left in stock, or 50% off ends at 11:59 p.m. They even talk about going viral on TikTok to make it seem popular. Countdown timers, mystery gifts, 60-day guarantees, all clever ways to pressure you into buying fast. It feels more like they care about sales than actually being honest with customers. So here's the bottom line. Based on all this evidence, Curvify Hip Enhancement Drops seems misleading and not safe to trust. They exaggerate reviews, fake the founder and study results, use AI photos, and rely on high-pressure sales tactics. There's no solid proof it works, and the claims are definitely deceptive. If you're thinking about trying it, I'd say think twice. Your health and safety are way more important than some marketing hype. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.